Hi everyone, welcome back. I just received this delivery. I'm home today. Schools were canceled, so my daughter's home, and so I'm home from work, and just received this delivery, so it was great timing. If you're in the Toronto area, then you would know that we just had a crazy winter storm yesterday and last night. So yeah, so it was good timing because I was home to receive this delivery, and I'm really excited to unbox it with you guys. So I actually, you know what, I'm going to get into the unboxing and then I'll kind of explain after. I don't want to talk too much, so let's just get right into it. And I was really excited. I did not know that this would come with the holiday packaging still, so that was a really nice surprise. I did source this piece from the Instagram personal shopper Luxx Lover. I will link her Instagram account down below. I've shopped with her before and she's great. The shipping was super fast, and she was able to source this piece for me that I was unable to find anywhere else. So this is the holiday camellia, and then the holiday ribbon. So there's the care booklet and the dust bag to reveal yet another Tiffany Blue piece from the 19C Tiffany Blue collection. I really wish I hadn't filmed my 19C Tiffany Blue collection video already, because I have added other pieces since I filmed that video, so maybe I'll refilm it, I'm not sure, but dare I say this will be the last piece I add in this color. Let me just take a look at this. Yeah, so this is the extra large card holder, as a lot of us like to call it. So it is the one with the back pocket, and this is a style that I don't currently have in my collection. I did used to have this style in black, the black iridescent leather, but I ended up selling it. I have a couple of the zipped extra large card holders with the back pocket, but not the snap ones. So, and this is in lambskin with the glittery hardware. As you can see, I love that. So this will go really nicely with my lambskin Tiffany Blue mini. And then I also have the round coin purse and the flat card holder in this lambskin. So now I have 3 SLGs in the caviar and 3 SLGs in the lambskin, which sounds like a bit, I don't know, it sounds like a lot, I guess. It is a lot, but I just love this color so much. So, and yeah, I did get a nail color that I thought would match nicely. So, yeah, so this is, I'll just show you what it looks like. So it's got the 2 compartments here, and then it's also got a card slot here. That's just the placeholders there. So the card slot there and the card slot in the back. Let's take that out. And just some tissue. And I think, yeah, here's the, this is the authenticity card. So it is a 27 series. And yeah, it is beautiful. I love it so much. Yeah, I think I might have to refilm my Tiffany Blue collection because it has changed since I filmed my video a few weeks ago. Excuse me. So anyway, I'm going to keep this short, but I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you like this type of video, please consider subscribing and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is FashionJunkie33. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.